Sincere Systems has set up a bonus and reward system for active affiliates. Our multi-level affiliate program enables you to make consistent profit out of absolutely every deposit in your team, regardless of what level of depth they reach. In addition to affiliate contributions, participants receive incentives when their teams reach certain turnover. Below is a table showing interests and incentives. By default, all users receive 5% of investments made by users they personally invite. When your marketing turnover is 3,000 USD, it's 7%. When your turnover is 10,000 USD, it's 9%. When your turnover is 25,000 USD, it's 10.5% and 1,000 USD bonus. When your turnover is 50,000 USD with a deposit of 500 USD, it's 12% and 2,000 USD bonus. When your turnover is 100,000 USD with a deposit of 1,000 USD, it's 13% and 5,000 USD bonus. When your turnover is 500,000 USD with a deposit of 5,000 USD, it's 14% and 20,000 USD bonus. When your turnover is 1 million USD with a deposit of 10,000 USD, it's 14.5% and 50,000 USD bonus. When your turnover is 3 million USD with a deposit of 30,000 USD, it's 15% and 150,000 USD bonus. When your turnover is 10 million USD with a deposit of 100,000 USD, it's 15.5% and 500,000 USD bonus. When your turnover is 25 million USD with a deposit of 250,000 USD, it's 16% and 1 million USD bonus. Marketing turnover includes all investments made by your personal affiliates and 50% of investments made by all lower-level affiliates over the entire depth of your structure. If you want to move to the next level, no more than 50% of attracted investments must be in one branch. You make profit out of all team members according to your level, the spread between your interest and your low-level affiliate's interest. Let's take a look at an example. You invite an affiliate who invests 1,000 USD. You get 5%, that is, 50 USD. Let's see what reward you will get if your status is 16%. Your team will include affiliates of different levels. Let's say some team member invests 10,000 USD. Previously, the one who invites this user receives 5% from personal invitations. In this case, his or her marketing turnover is 10,000 USD, and this gives 9% or 900 USD. Let's move on along the chain. Next, an affiliate who has a status of 10.5% gets the following spread: 10.5 minus 9, 1.5%. Next, we have a participant with a status of 12%. He or she gets the following spread: 12 minus 10.5, 1.5%. And finally, you get the spread of 16 minus 12, 4% or 400 USD. This example proves that the Sincere Systems affiliate program allows you to make decent money out of all the depths of your structure. Join Sincere Systems and start making money now.